It's a story time. Alam niyo ba dati, akala ko yung pinakamasakit na breakup, yun yung sinaktan ka at pinarealize sa'yo na you are not worth it. Yung breakup na alam mo namang binigay mo ang lahat, pero niloko ka pa rin at pinagpalit sa iba. Yung kahit inubos mo na yung sarili mo sa kanya, hindi pa rin sapat. Kasi naghahanap pa rin siya ng mas higit pa. Back then, I was crying really hard every day and every night. Iniisip ko, hindi ako enough. Pero alam nyo, as I grow older, na-realize ko na hindi pala yun yung pinakamasakit na breakup. Na yung nangyari sa akin, sobrang normal lang pala nun. Alam nyo ba kung ano yung pinakamasakit na breakup? Yun yung alam mong walang sapat na dahilan. Hindi mo siya niloko at hindi ka rin niya niloko. It is when you both are still deeply in love with each other. Yet, you both know that you need to let go to prevent yourselves from the pain. Kasi alam niyong pareho na may nagbago na.